Hi guys, Will here from WB Trading. So back on the pound dollar this morning. It's the 30th of January and my setup's just triggered. I'm here reading a book and I'd got so into the book I'd forgot to keep an eye on the screen, and I've literally just glanced over and seen the setup trigger. So I've quickly pressed record on my iPad and I'm literally just filling out the buy order as we speak. Right, there we go. So, right, that's us long the market now. I'm going to show you guys the trade record too in just a second. And we'll add this trade onto the spreadsheet together too. But before we do that, let me just bring the stop down slightly. There we go. Okay. Right. Let's move over to the trades taken spreadsheet. So what you're looking at is every single trade we've taken so far this year using the pound dollar strategy, including exact entry points, exact stop loss placements, and of course the outcome of each trade. Now, I've had quite a few emails and messages of recent from traders trying to guess the setup. So for that reason, I'm going to blur out the entry and exit points here so that none of you sneaky people can steal my edge. But as you can see, so far we've taken 18 trades this year, 13 of which have been winning trades. So if we include these trades and combine them with the just under 300 trades that the strategy gave us throughout last year, the current win rate is just below 65%. And as you can see, we're achieving 1 hour and 1.5 hour on almost a daily basis with very little work. I mean, I've been sat here reading a book with a cup of coffee for the last hour with the chart on screen, waiting for the setup, and we're now done for the day within, what, 3 minutes? I mean, it's just a brilliant way to trade, you know. No having to use any indicators to guess, no having to listen to the news and make predictions, no need to pay for a live room or sit in a chat room all day. We just wait for our setup every morning, execute, walk away, done. Anyway guys, I'll let this trade play out and I'll come back to you when we either get stopped out or when we reach target. Right guys, just back, cracky, that was fast. Well, that was probably the fastest £105 I've ever made in my entire life. 6 minutes flat, incredible. So guys, we're adding another winning trade now to this year's run, which is fantastic. So let's take a quick look back at the trades taken spreadsheet. So that was our entry point, point 3 was our stop loss. And we've achieved 1 hour so far today. Now, I'll check back on this later to see if we achieved 1.5 and to see if we achieved 2, and then I'll fill these out later on. But let's just take a quick look at how the year's been so far. So 9 hour, fantastic. So we've achieved 9 hour with a 1 hour target. We've achieved 4.5 hour with a 1.5 hour target, and we've achieved 9 hour again so far with a 2 hour target. Now 9 hour for the year so far, and again pretty much a winning trade every single day is pretty phenomenal. I'm sure you'll agree. And obviously, the handful of you guys that are trading this with me will have achieved this, which is fantastic. You know, I speak to quite a few of you guys on a daily basis, and it's brilliant to see you all doing so well. Anyway, guys, thanks again for tuning in today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've taken value from this, and I'll be back with another video for you guys soon. Thanks, guys.